Easter is a Christian holiday that centers on one event: the resurrection of Jesus Christ. According to the Bible, he was crucified, executed on a cross, buried in a tomb. Then 3 days later, he rose from the dead. That moment is the foundation of Christianity. It represents victory over death, hope after suffering, and the idea of eternal life. Why is it celebrated? People celebrate Easter because it's seen as proof of divine power, a symbol of rebirth and renewal. The most important event in Christianity, even bigger than Christmas. So where did the bunny and eggs come from? This is where it gets interesting. Long before Christianity, ancient cultures celebrated spring as a time of new life. Eggs and rabbits symbolized fertility, rebirth, and new beginnings. These traditions got blended over time with the Christian holiday. Some link it to Eostre, a pagan goddess tied to spring. The brutal truth: Easter today is basically two different things fused together. A serious religious event about resurrection. A cultural holiday with candy, eggs, and a bunny. Most people celebrate a mix of both without thinking about it. So if you're celebrating Easter, Happy Easter! Enjoy your day with family and friends. Thanks for watching.